Now, when we are talking about B trees, why do we come to B trees? What is the need of B trees? We know that we have binary search tree to ease the reduce the effort of searching. हम of the order n से binary search tree में we are trying to reduce the order to of the order log 2n. Now what happens is binary tree may get skewed, and when it gets skewed, the worst case, again the searching time goes of the order n. So to correct this, we are trying to balance the binary search tree. Balanced binary search trees are AVL trees, which again, the height of binary search tree, the search time is maximum 1.44 in the of the order log 2n. Maximum. So of the order log n ही बनेगा essentially. This is some constant, but yes, 1.44 into of the order log 2n. So now I am saying all the AVL trees are giving us very good results in terms of searching, and they are balancing the height, but there are times when we are using huge data. So when you are using huge data, so huge data cannot be, entire data cannot be stored in the primary memory. So we have secondary memory coming into the picture. When secondary memory comes into the picture, we have to do something called as a disk access. And disk access is very costly in terms of time, especially. It is costly in terms of cost also, but in terms of time. Why? So what happens is, when I'm talking about disk access, I am having huge data in some GBs or something. So I'm unable to get the entire data in my primary memory. If the entire data can fit in the primary memory, then AVL trees are sufficient. Then I do not need to go any further. But if there is huge data and I want to search from the huge data, the entire data cannot come in my primary memory. So the number of disk accesses is very bad. And I want, because what happens is one time disk access will take at least some millisecond or microsecond, some millisecond it will be taking. Now the computer's execution cycle is in nanoseconds or picoseconds. So 1 million times the speed difference is there. 1 million is a huge speed difference. I do not want such a big speed difference. So what I want is, I want a data structure जिससे कि when I'm having the data which is normally we are having is A is there, A is having some B and C. Now every node is having only one value. You are retrieving one node, then another node, then third node, then other node. Every node retrieval needs disk access. So what we want is कि हर node में एक से ज़्यादा data store करें, so that primary memory में एक disk access से more data can be brought. Single disk access can bring more data into the primary memory, and we can still do the search in the binary search tree way only. So that is where we bring M-way trees into picture. Binary search trees are two-way search trees. M-way trees are not binary. They are search trees which are M-way. We'll just see what that means. They can also get skewed towards one side. So they need balancing. So balanced M-way binary search trees are called as B trees. When we have balanced the M-way search trees, then they are called as B trees. Now let us understand what is an M-way search tree. What do I mean by that? So I'm going to, abhi tak, what we had read is that they are binary trees. They are having only two children. Every node is having two children. Now I'm saying, when I'm talking about an M-way search tree, I'm talking about an M-way search tree. In this case, every node can have M minus 1 children. M children. Every node can have M children and M minus 1 keys. That is, just for example, if I'm having every node can have M minus 1 number of keys, and every node can have M children. This is what M-way search tree means. Just for example, supposedly, I am taking a 4-way search tree. If I want to create a 4-way search tree, so I'm just taking an example here. Supposedly I have a node. One node can have how many keys now? 3 values. Single value नहीं, हम 3 values store कर रहे हैं. although they are stored in the binary search tree manner, ascending order mein hi they will be stored. So I'm having supposedly some 9, 20, 50, just example here. Maximum 4-way tree mein maximum every node can have 3 keys. So I'm having some 3 keys here. This can have m children, it can have 4 children. So it is having 4 children. I am essentially representing the pointers. Please note. Now the child which is coming here can again have 3 keys. The child coming here can again have 3 keys. The child coming here can again have 3 keys, and this one can also have 3 keys. The point is, all these keys will be less than 9. All these keys will be in between 9 and 20. These keys will be between 20 and 50. These will be greater than 50. So that binary search tree की property अभी भी hold हो रही है. So what is happening is, supposedly there are some keys 3, 5 and 8. Now here are some keys, some 10, 15, 18. Just taking an example. There are some keys and there are some keys over here. So this is an example of a 4-way search tree where every node, this can also have children. It zaruri nahi ki 4 hi ho. It can have less than 4 children also. It can still have a child having a value say 19. It can still have a child here having again 4 या 3 या 2 जितनी भी keys हो. It can have maximum m minus 1 keys and maximum m children. ये maximum का size है MB tree में. So it is not necessary कि सारे children हों. It is not necessary कि सारी keys हों. तो 4-way search tree में एक node के there can be 4 children and there can be 3 keys at most. So if you can clearly see with the example, I'll tell you how do I insert and all, but I'm just telling the concept here. So if I am having, this is node key, this is supposedly key 1, key 2 and key 3. So how do I search an element? Supposedly I want to search some x. So I check, is x less than key 1? Agar less than key 1 hai, so I will be searching in this child. If it is between key 1 and key 2, I will be searching in this child. If it is equal to anything, so that is found. If it is not equal, if it is between key 1 and key 2, I will be searching this child. If it is between k2 and k3, I will search here. If it is greater than k3, I will be searching in this part. तो अब हो क्या रहा है, जब हम एक बार डिस्क में गए तो हमने एक पूरा नोड एक्सेस किया. So we are not retrieving only one single data, we are retrieving more data. उसके बाद जितने भी ऑपरेशंस हुए, they will take less time because disk access is taking more time. जितनी बार हमें सेकेंडरी मेमोरी को एक्सेस करना पड़ रहा है, that was taking much more time. The disk access which we are doing right now is not going to take that much time. 1 million times का फर्क पड़ रहा था. So इसमें ज्यादा नंबर ऑफ चेकिंग करने के बाद भी the total time taken for searching is hugely less because we have reduced the disk access. Till here all of you are understanding what I'm trying to say? Now the problem with M-based search trees is that they can also be skewed trees. Example, the same data, if I'm supposedly using some same keys, they can be represented in a different manner. Supposedly, I'm just taking an example of a 3-way tree and I have to insert some data. I'm having some data 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Supposedly this is the data that is to be inserted. So I inserted data 10 in the root node. Then there is one space. Now 3-way tree hai, matlab 3 children are allowed, 2 keys are allowed. Now this is the root node. I have to insert 20, root node still has space, so 20 inserted in the root. I have to insert 30. 30 is greater than these two, but there is no space. One node can have only 2 keys. 3 minus 1, 2 keys allowed. So I create a new node. Now it is to the right here because 20 se bada hai. And 30 gets inserted here. Then I have to insert a 40. 40 is greater than 20, greater than 30, there is space, 40 gets inserted. I have to insert a 50, greater than 20, greater than 40, no more space, create a new child, insert 50. Similarly, insert a 60 greater than 20, greater than 40, greater than 50. There is space available. Insert 60 over here. You have to insert 70 greater than 20, greater than 40, greater than 60. You again create a new node for 70. Insert 80 greater than 20, 40, 60. Again 80 gets inserted. Similarly, 90 के लिए new node is created. So what is happening in this case is, if you can see, this is a skewed MV tree. It is right skewed. MV tree में भी अब अगर skew हो गया है, and if I have to search some element, तो अगर मुझे 90 सर्च करना है तो 1 2 3 4 5 disk access I will require at least, which is very huge. इसलिए MV tree को हमने यूज ही नहीं करा. I am taking essentially an example of ascending order जिससे कि एक skewed tree create हो सके. Trees किसी भी ऑर्डर में आ सकती हैं कीज. बाइनरी सर्च ट्री की तरह ही यू विल बी इंसर्टिंग. I have intentionally taken this order so that we understand that this is a skewed tree where the height of the tree here is the 5 levels are there now. Fourth level 0 1 2 3 4 levels will be there. So if you want to search 90, आपको 5 times disk access करनी पड़ रही है. I do not want that. That is why we were using MV tree. Now the same data, supposedly the data was not in this manner. Supposedly the data was you were inserting 40, 50, 60, then you were inserting 10, 20, 30. Just I am taking an example. Then you were inserting 70, 80, 90. Just an example. When you insert 40, I'll take another pen so that you understand what I am saying. In that case, 40 would have become the root. You insert a 50, 50 is greater than 40, so it gets inserted over here. Now you have a 60, 60 is greater than 50, you create a new node, 60 would have come here. Insert 10, 10 is less than 40, but there is no space here, so new node will be created on the left of 40. There can still be children here, please understand. Third child is also possible, it is a three-way tree. Although मेरे पास कोई key नहीं है जो 40 और 50 के बीच में हो. अगर कोई होती तो there would have been a third child. Like if I have a key like 45 here, then I will be having that. So after that I have to insert a 20. 20 is less than 40, greater than 10. It is inserted here. I have to insert a 30, less than 40, greater than 20, but no space in the node, so I create a new node here 30 के लिए. Then I have to insert 70, greater than 50, greater than 60. Space in node is available, insert. Insert 80, greater than 50, greater than 70. Or supposedly इसकी जगह 80, 70 की जगह maybe like this only. So what is happening? I am having the 80 over here. Then 90 would have come here only. Now I have a 45 also. 40 or 50 के बीच में, no space here. So I do the insertion over here. Now here, almost similar elements are there, but the number of levels is only 3 as compared to 5. तो एक बार में जब एक disk access करोगे, so you will be able to see the levels details. So in this case, the number of disk access will be reduced because this is more height balanced and this is more skewed. This is a height balanced MV tree. Yes or no? Are you all understanding what is the problem with the normal MV tree? It can get skewed. Zaruri nahi hai. This is also MV tree only. This is also MV tree only. This is height balanced. This is skewed. So what we want is, we want the MV tree to be a height balanced tree. Now how do I balance the height? If yehi keys are rahi hain, they are given in this order only, but I want them to be inserted in a manner so that tree is height balanced. जैसे हम AVL tree में करते थे, in a similar manner we have something called as B trees, which is nothing but a height balanced MV tree. Till here, is it clear to all of you? I am again saying that for B trees, I am talking for a B tree of order n. इसका मतलब अगर नॉर्मल MV ट्री है, यहाँ पे NV ट्री है, हर नोड के n चिल्ड्रन अलाउड है और n-1 कीज होती है नॉर्मल की ट्री में. सिंस इट इज अ बी ट्री, देयर इज अ कंडीशन ऑन ईच नॉन लीफ नोड. जितने भी इंटरनल नोड्स हैं जिनके कोई चिल्ड्रन हो सकते हैं, उनके मिनिमम n/2 चिल्ड्रन होने जरूरी हैं. दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. अगर 8 वे ट्री है आपका, तो मिनिमम 4 चिल्ड्रन होने जरूरी है हर नोड के. This is very important condition. And maximum to n children is a normal condition on every tree. Maximum n children can have. So minimum every node should have n by 2 children. And all the leaf nodes are at same level. अलग अलग level पे leaf nodes नहीं होंगे. All the leaf nodes are have to have at the same level. Then all the non-leaf nodes can have m minus 1 keys. अब इसका क्या मतलब है? If I am having, it is a non-leaf node, it is having some children. If it is having only 2 keys, then it can have only 3 children. If it is a 8-way tree, then 8 children are possible and 7 keys are possible. But if it is having only 3 children, then only 2 keys are possible. It cannot have a third key. I am again repeating, all non-leaf nodes can have maximum m minus 1 keys, where m is the number of children of that node. Jitne children hai, -1 keys are allowed for every node. That can vary from node to node. And all leaf nodes can have n. Leaf nodes jo hai, they can have, if it is an 8-way tree, then leaf nodes can have 7 children, kyunki unke to aage there are no children. So leaf nodes can have n minus 1 keys. And why the condition is there? Because keys in the non-leaf node, they are dividing every time, they are dividing into left and right subtrees. So since they are dividing the tree, the division जो है, अगर हम 3 सब parts में divide कर रहे हैं, तो then only 2 keys are possible. एक division less के लिए, एक in between के लिए, एक greater के लिए. If there are 3 keys, then only 4 divisions would be possible. One for less than the key 1, between key 1 and key 2, between key 2, key 3, and greater than key 1. That is why the condition that non-leaf nodes can have maximum m minus 1 keys. जहाँ पे minimum n by 2 तो है ही obviously. So these are the properties that must hold in a B tree. If M-way tree is holding these properties for all nodes, then it is called as a B tree. And if these properties are held, then it would be height balanced. Let us see with an example. Let us see a tree, M-way tree with order 5. It's a 5 order M-way tree. And here I am dividing. So let us see what is happening here. Can you see all the leaf nodes are at the same level? First condition, all the leaf nodes are essentially at the same level. And minimum number of keys in the non-root node. Root node में single key allowed है. Minimum number of keys is n by 2 for all non-leaf nodes and non-root node. N by 2 is 5 by 2. That means minimum 2. I take the floor value here of 2.5. That is 2. Minimum 2 keys जो है वो होनी ही चाहिए सब में. Non-leaf node में minimum 2 keys should be there. Root node and non-leaf, root node और leaf node को छोड़ के जितने भी internal nodes हैं, they should have at least 2 keys. And every node, उसकी जितनी भी कीज है उसके +1 चिल्ड्रन होंगे, ये ध्यान रखना. अगर मेरे 3 चिल्ड्रन है तो मैक्सिमम 2 कीज आर अलाउड, जहां पे मिनिमम भी 2 है. अगर 4 चिल्ड्रन है तो मैक्सिमम 3 कीज आर अलाउड. अदरवाइज सिंस इट्स एन ऑर्डर 5, तो लास्ट नोड में टिल 4 कीज आर अलाउड. इन द लास्ट नोड देयर आर 4 कीज अलाउड लीफ लेवल पे. So let us see the conditions what are happening over here. All of you can see it is dividing. Now when I am saying 35 is small, in between 35 to 65 and greater than 65. Now it's an order 5, 5 children are allowed. So when I am doing the insert, this is an M-way tree, this is order 5 tree, and this is a B tree also because it is holding all the properties. Sare leaf nodes are at the same level. All the non-leaf nodes are essentially having n by 2 children. Minimum 2 children हैं दोनों nodes के, ज़्यादा भी हो सकते हैं. And when I am having m children for any node, I am having maximum m minus 1 keys. Since root के 2 ही हैं, तो root की भी m minus 1 key है. 3 children है तो 2 keys हैं. 3 children है तो 2 keys हैं. This condition is also satisfied. Since I am satisfying all of these conditions, that is maximum n minus 1 keys can be there in the last level. It is also true in any node. So hence this is a B tree. Now if I want to do some insertion over here supposedly, then what should happen? What can happen in this particular manner? So if I want to find out, supposedly I want to insert some 280 over here. 280 is greater than 100, greater than 180, greater than 260. I can still insert it here. Why? Because last level pe I can have m-1 keys. Are you all understanding that this is a valid example of a B tree? Or maybe I'll just start creating a B tree from scratch so that you all understand. If I talk about the height of a normal tree, एक binary tree की height क्या होती है? Binary tree has height log of 2 to the power k, where k is the number of levels. यही होती है ना? Yes or no? Now for an M-way tree, if I am having k levels and the number of children, it is an n order n tree. So इस case में what the height becomes for an M-way tree, the height here will become log of base nk. The number of levels is base n. Sorry, number of levels is k here. It is base n. Can you please see that? This. So the maximum height of tree with k is the number of nodes, not the number of levels. Sorry. So maximum number of nodes को हमें divide करना है सब में. So they can be done in how many levels? Height जो है maximum, that is log of k to the base n. N children में I can divide. N children में I can divide. So this is how a balanced B tree will also be divided. So B tree की worst case height is this only. इससे कम ही होगी height आपकी, right? So this is very important regarding the height of the B tree. That is why the search time maximum is this. हर level पे search होनी है. एक बार में एक level के सारे nodes will be copied in the primary memory. So maximum time that can be taken is of the order log k to the base n, where I am talking about a n-way B tree. K is the number of children, number of nodes in the tree. Let us see how do we insert data into a B tree. So to create a B tree and follow the insertion rules over here, we will begin with the root node. It's an empty tree right now. So when it is an empty tree, 10 becomes a node. This is an empty tree. Then I have to insert 20. 20 is greater than 10. Now this has to be inserted in a tree of order 5. So order 5 ka tree hai. This is an 5-way tree. Or I can say it is a 5-way tree जिसमें 5-way B tree जिसमें I have to do insertion. B tree of order 5. Here I have to do the insertion. That means n is 5. 5 children are allowed for every node and 4 keys maximum are allowed. Baki conditions for B tree are different. We'll check in every node. Now we have to insert 20. 20 is greater than 10. My root node still has space. Insert a 20. Next is a 50. Now 50 is greater than 20, still has space. Insert a 50. 3 children. Root node mein you can have till 4 children abhi tak. It's a order 5 tree, so 4 children are allowed. Then you have to insert a 60. 60 can be inserted. It is greater than 50. Now when you have to insert a 40, 40 has to be inserted in between. It is greater than 10, greater than 20, less than 50. So 40 is inserted here. Now when you are inserting a 40 over here, the number of keys here is 5. Number of keys 5 is not allowed. Maximum 4 keys are allowed. So what I do? I break this node from the median. Break this node from median. Now 40 is the median here. I break the node so that this 40 becomes the parent node. Left of 40 becomes the left child here and right of 40 becomes the right child here. Are you all understanding what have I done just now to insert a 40?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now when I need to insert an 80, 80 is greater than 40 and 80 is greater than 60. So it can be inserted over here. No issues. See, every root node, every child, these are leaf nodes. So there can be any number of children here in the leaf node. There is no condition here on that. So I can have. So then I have to insert 100. So I am having, अभी तक हमारे वो वाले दूसरे leaf, non-leaf nodes है ही नहीं जिनके children हो, ध्यान रखना. So 100 is greater than 40, greater than 80. 100 can be inserted over here. Now I have to insert a 70. 70 is greater than 40, greater than 60, less than 80. So technically 70 should be inserted here. Again, when I am inserting a 70 here, the number of keys is 5, which is not allowed. Maximum 4 keys are allowed. I break from the median. So break the median, and this median should now become should now go in the parent node. अभी parent node में space है, then 70 is added in the parent node, so that it becomes a child over here. Are you all understanding what did just happen? When I was having a 70 over here, the number of keys in this node was 5, which is not allowed. So I break from the median, and median becomes the parent. Parent node mein there was space still available. So I have added 70 in the parent node, and these become the children. This is between 40 to 70. This is greater than 70. Is it clear? How have I added 70? Yes? Yes, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so now I add 130. 130 is greater than 70, greater than 100. 130 is inserted here. Again, I want to insert a 90 supposedly. So it is greater than 70, greater than 80, less than 100. So 90 is inserted here. Still only 4 keys are there, so this insertion is allowed. Then I have to insert a 30. So when I am inserting a 30, 30 is less than 40. It is greater than 20. So a 30 can still be inserted here. 3 keys here abhi tak. I have to insert a 120. Now when I am going to insert a 120, again what happens? Due to the insertion greater than 70, greater than 100, less than 130. So now when I am doing this insertion, again I have 5 keys, which is not allowed. 5 keys is not allowed. I will again break from the median. So I break this median and I move it to my parent node. Parent can still have keys. There is a possibility my parent node can still have keys. So I move this here. If you see, whenever I am increasing a child, I am increasing a key. M minus 1 key for M children. This is holding during the insertion. जब भी number of key से बड़ा हो रहा है, I am moving to the parent. जब parent में जगह नहीं बचेगी, I will do the same to the parent also. We will just see how. So now next the insertion has to be done for 140. 140 is greater than 100, greater than 130. 140 is inserted here. The next insertion that I need to do here is of 25. 25 is in between 20 and 30. It can be inserted. It is still having 4 keys, so the insertion is valid. No need to break anything. I am inserting a 35. Now 35 is still less than 40, greater than 30. Now when I am inserting 35, so what is happening is 35 is 10, 20, 30. I'm sorry, 25 was also there. 25, 30, and then 35 is coming. Now there are 5 keys, which is not allowed. Do the same. Break from the median. It is a 5-way tree. 5 children and 4 keys tak allowed hai. It is a order 5 tree. So 25 goes to the parent. Parent can still have an extra key. It still has space. So this becomes my parent. And these become the children. Is this clear? Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
अब देखो, due to the balance of height, there are only 2 levels till now. 0 level और level 1. अभी तक tree की height 2 ही है यहाँ पे. Because we are having a height balanced M-way tree. So the number of disk access for any search is only 2, which is very less. Now I want to insert 160. 160 is greater than 100. It is greater than 140. It gets inserted over here. Again, no issues caused. When I want to insert 180, 180 is greater than 100, greater than 160. Now when I am inserting 180 over here, Again, the number of keys goes 5, which is not allowed. So I have to break. So I will break from the median. So I take this 140, add it in my parent node, so that this is no more a key over here, and this becomes a child. Again, in the parent node, if you see now 5 keys are there which are not allowed. Again, do a break from the parent node. Now you break from here. 70 will become the parent. This becomes the left child. This becomes the right child. Rest all links remain the same. Are you all understanding what has happened? So my tree is technically growing upwards. Is this insertion clear to all of you? Yes, class.